What's going on, y'all? I just want to talk about what you would need as far as the bare minimum to start tattooing. You're gonna need some sort of tape. I'd recommend Sensi Wrap. Vitamin A and D ointment. Of course, some type of tattoo machine, whether it be a pen style or a direct drive or even a coil. You're gonna need needles. Today we're gonna be using cartridges. In most cases, you'll probably need at least one liner and one shader. You're gonna need ink, black ink. I use dynamic. You're gonna need a wash bottle, preferably 2 if you can. 1 for alcohol and 1 for green soap, well, a diluted green soap mixture. This is the actual bottle that the green soap comes in. For cleaning, you're gonna need Cavicide or some sort of bleach and water mixture. Gloves, ink caps, paper towel, preferably Bounty, me. Now we're gonna do a setup. Make sure you separate your paper towels beforehand. You don't want to be tattooing, have on dirty gloves, and grabbing your roll of paper towels. That's disgusting. Make sure your bottles are wrapped up, because again, you don't want to be touching these bottles with your nasty gloves that has blood and ink on them, and you know you're going to need these bottles for your next tattoo. Be safe and stay clean.